Sir, sino po sila, sir?
Miggy Gemora, sales consultant of Fighter.
Okay, Boss Miggy. Ito, ano bang car itong ipapakita natin dito sa Auto Culture, Boss? Sige po.
Currently, we do have here the Ito M9, our
Okay.
flagship SUV.
Okay. Sige,
Technically,
Boss. Ano ba yung features na itong sasakyan natin ngayon, Boss? Sige po.
as we can see here, dito sa front seat, we do have the full screen sa front. So, including the center console sa passenger, and here din sa driver.
Grabe, no? Kasi parang buong dashboard screen na, no?
Yes.
Tama ba, Boss Miggy? Okay. Ito, Sir Bix, nabanggit mo kanina, ito yung base model.
Yes, this is the base model. So, yung higher variant is meron siyang automatic electric doors, which is one push of a button, magka-close yung door or magka-open.
Okay.
And we do have here also yung seat na luxurious and
Oo nga.
good for a long drive.
Adjust talagang akala mo nasa ano ka na rin, pag massage.
Yes, massage here. 10-point massage hanggang sa second row.
Grabe.
Which is, we're about to go here. So,
Wow, ito, ayan, no?
you have here your captain seat.
Okay.
So, it's a 6-seater car pala. SUV
Seater
po,
na
size
din talaga
SUV.
siya. Ayan, mga kawato.
You have here your controls, massage,
Okay.
ventilation and heating as well. You have your climate there, climate control, and then freezer as well.
Oh,
And yung cooler na pwedeng gamitin as heater. If you have food na gusto mo initin, pwede rin.
talagang meron na rin talaga. Ang dating niya, base model, pero parang,
Yes.
ano tawag, mas may yan. Tsaka ito, meron na rin ano. Parang,
And then also, here din pala, you have a button here.
okay.
One push of the button, this one, mag-fold siya. So you can see the front end if you're sitting here in the second row.
Oh.
So another features for the M9 kasi, this equipped with a headrest speaker. So total kasi is 25 speaker.
Okay.
So here, if you're here in the second row, then you have someone nakausap, and then you have a driver. Then you don't want your driver to hear about what you're talking about. So just press this. Then lahat ng pinag-uusapan niyo sa second row, igagarble niya. So in that case, hindi na maintindihan ng driver yung pinag-uusapan sa second row.
So talagang ano, no?
Privacy.
Private talaga.
Yes.
Okay, Boss Migs. Dito naman sa exterior, ano bang features na itong ano natin?
For the exterior, of course, we have 21 inches wheels here
Okay.
with the P0 Pirelli tires. And then this comes pala with the air suspension.
Okay.
Base model na naka-air suspension. So, for the air suspension, pwede mo yung ma-adjust yung height niya.
So talagang ano na, gaano kababa ang nabababa na ito?
So, it can go to 115 na height niya. Then, it can go up to 130.
So wala ka nang imo-mods talaga, tama
Yes,
ba?
wala na.
Okay na to.
Air suspension ka na. Stop.
Kasi kahit yung mods, no? Nakamods na rin. Okay, ayan mga to. So itong two-tone siya.
Yes,
Mix na pati.
two-tone na. It's a midnight black na nakatutong.
Okay, ayan mga to.
And here's a likod pala, sir.
Check natin dito.
This taillight is can be modded, so you
Okay.
can choose whether symbol, kung anong symbol ang gusto mo ilagay. Pwede siyang heart, pwede siyang birthday cake, pwede siyang baby bottle.
So depende sa face mo talaga.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Saan ba galing tong item na to, boss? Sige, boss.
Ito is from China. It's,
Okay.
to be exact, in Chongqing. So it's yung car manufacturer niya is SpaceX. Then yung technology is Huawei.
Okay, gawa ito mga auto. Ito yung kilalang telepono, boss.
Yes.
Okay, so talagang ano na to? Yung credibility nito okay na talaga.
Yes. In fact, currently sa China, one of the best luxury EV.
Oo, yan mga auto.
And in terms of safety, of course, self-driving capable and self-parking din.
Okay, yan mga auto. Sir Bix, okay lang, check natin yung pinakaharap. Okay lang. So, ako medyo curious tayo.
Sure.
So, tara. Dito tayo sa pinakaharap naman. Anong meron dito ba? Sige po.
So if you notice here, we have here our headlights. So, Galaxy headlight. We call it Galaxy headlight. So if you notice here, meron siyang time.
Okay.
This time indicates the charging time.
At talagang hindi mo makakalimutan. No?
Well, nakita natin it's 16 hours
16 hours.
and 12 minutes. It's because naka 3 kilowatts charger lang tayo.
Okay.
So at the same time, yung headlight natin na adaptive,
Oo nga.
which yung high beam niya kinadapt sa mga kasalubong. So, kusa siyang
Sana nag-a-adjust no? Mga kautok, ganda.
Then, on the upper, if you can see the LiDAR, that emits 192 laser.
Oo,
So, yan yung reason kung bakit kaya niya mag-self-drive and self-park.
Boss, ito, in terms sa kulay natin, ano mga available colors na itong sasakyan na to, boss?
Alright, for the colors, this one is midnight black na two-tone.
Okay.
We have the Cosmos blue. Two-tone din siya.
Two-tone din.
And we do have sunset glow, the orange one.
Okay.
Yun yung tatlong two-tone. We do have two other colors na monocolor.
Okay.
It's the midnight black na solid and then the woodland green.
Yan, mga kautok, alam natin. Boss, ako hindi natin patatagalin. Usapang engine na tayo. Check
Sure.
natin. So, tara.
Tough long battery. Tough and long lasting.
Ano meron dito, boss? Sige, boss.
So this one is equipped with a 1.5 turbocharged engine that serves as genset.
Okay.
So yung engine niya walang transmission so it's for charging lang. So you can't run the car using the engine, so it not propels the car. So full electric ka pa rin. It's just if you need charger, you don't need the charger to plug it. You just need to gas up, then yung engine na mag-charge sa battery.
Oo, tama ba, boss Mix, ang pagkakaintindi natin. Hindi mo na kailangan ng charging station. Kumbaga, hindi ka naman kakabahan. Tama ba?
Yes, so yes.
Kasi ako, honestly, boss Mix, ako doon ako kinakabahan. Yung mga kalaka ng baterya.
Exactly. Actually, yun yung mga sinasabi na sa tao na if you're not fully inclined sa full electric, well, you can use the range extender.
Mga to. Kasi ito ba, gaano ba katagal lang battery life ng mga ganitong EV, boss?
Well, battery life depends sa usage but actually, nagtatagal siya 10 to 15 years talaga.
Ganun yung standard, yung basic na, no?
Then yung engine niya pala can produce 3.44 kilowatt per liter. So yun yung conversion niya.
Boss, gaano ba kabilis pag charge yung talagang main, charge lang talaga?
So for the AC charging for 7 kilowatt, it can last ng 6 to 8 hours for full charge.
Ano to, talagang yung as in zero, talaga?
20 to 100% yun.
Ganun talaga.
Kasi hindi naman natin masasagad yung battery ng 0%.
Oo,
But if ever man, 6 to 8 hours is full charge na siya.
full charge na siya.
And then for fast charging naman, yung more than 22 kilowatt, it can charge naman ng below 30 minutes.
Yun, that's it. Okay, Boss Mix, magkano ba presyo ng mga ganito, Boss Mix, para sa mga viewers natin?
Yes, for the base variant, which is this one, it's just 5,757,000.
Okay.
So that's the base model. For the higher model, which is yung 6.3,557,000, yun is range extender then the features is mas marami.
Yun, okay. That's it, Boss Mix. Okay na tayo, Boss. Promote na tayo ng ng Aito natin, Boss.
Sa Aito naman, sa showroom natin, you can visit us sa BGC, sa MC Tower, Fort. So, the other one is sa Green Hills, sa may Primex Tower, beside kami ng Maserati.
Yan, well said.
So,
Boss Mix, okay na, Boss?
Yes.
Ang sige, Espanya, and Sir Iris Miguel Himora, pa dito sa Aito, mga kata. This is Auto Culture.